What's the meaning of beer mat? Beer mat. Beer mat.
Beer mat. Beer mat. A beer mat, also known as a beer coaster, is a small, flat piece of cardboard or absorbent material used to rest a glass of beer or other beverage on. The primary purpose of a beer mat is to protect the bar or table surface from spills or rings caused by condensation on the outside of the glass. Beer mats are often printed with advertising messages or promotional imagery for breweries, liquor companies, or other businesses. In addition to their practical use, beer mats are also collectible items, particularly those that feature unique or vintage designs. The origins of beer mats can be traced back to the 19th century in Germany and Austria.